I always thought a baseline was like apparently not. No, baseline is a tool used to create the brand assets and the graphic design for your business or for your small company, or even if you're an individual creator. So we're going to look at baseline, but in a minute, have a look in the description. You will find the amazing link. It's phils.deals, and all of the phils.deals are the best price. I try and keep it up to date. You will find for the software. So watch the video, come back to phils.deals, and thanks for subscribing. It really does help. That means that if you haven't subscribed, I'd like you to subscribe. Cheers. Right, let's jump in and have a look at baseline. So here is the baseline dashboard, and it's asking me what you want to design, and you can see I've already had a play. I do like having a play. Who else likes having a play? So you can see just very quickly, if we scroll across the top, you can design just about everything here, from YouTube thumbnails to LinkedIn banners to your Twitter posts and headers, just about everything. And also, well, if we go on, let's have a look, all of the templates you can go for. So Instagram posts, Instagram story, obviously all in the right sizes for each of the social media. I nearly said outlets then. Yeah. Pinterest, YouTube thumbnails. Quite impressive, really, all of the stuff you've got with baseline. So I've already set up my brand colors, but if I want to create a new brand, I can call the brand Phil's. I nearly said e-cigarettes, even though I don't smoke. Phil's Fitness. Yeah, it's going to be a new thing. I'm just going to get really fit now. That's my brand name. Have I got a logo? No, I'm going to create a quick logo. Ooh. So here we go. It's going to help me create the colors for my brand. Fitness colors. You select, these are going to be my colors, and it's going to pick a logo. And which one do I like? None of them really. Stop being too honest, Phil. That one's a good starting point. Select it, tweak it. Ooh, change it about a bit. These are just basic logos to get you started, by the way. These are my brand colors. You can change them however you want. So if you've already got a brand with colors and logos, and it does actually suggest in baseline that you do actually go and get a good logo made for this. They're just using that one as a starting point, but you can tweak, adjust the colors, and these colors will be across your brand. They'll become your brand assets. Right, so there you are. You can add more colors if you want to. There's your color palette. Those are my brand colors. Pick your gradients. Which ones do you like as a gradient? I like none of them. We'll pick that one as a gradient. All right. Confirm gradients. Then you can pick your fonts. It's good stuff, this, especially if you're not an expert and you want to try and keep everything the same. That's what they always say. So you can scroll through your fonts, and obviously they've got lots of fonts. I like that one actually. So there's my type scale. I'm happy with that. My type scale is ready. Phil's Fitness is the brand. There's my logo. Actually, do you know what? I've actually seen people doing fitness where they keep it very clean and simple like that. Prohibited use of the logo. Do not rotate the logo. Do not. Always telling me off. What happens if you do that? I suppose that's for other people who are using your brand, so that if you send them your brand assets, because that's what you do, isn't it? When you want to make a Facebook video or post or YouTube, you've got to use the correct logo. You're not allowed to mess about with it. I guess what that means. There are the colors, there are the gradients, and in no time I've created my brand. And then with that brand, it's good, this, isn't it? We can go back and we can go back to my dashboard, and with that brand we can start creating. Hang on. So if we want to create an Instagram post, we can go through the Instagram post. Let's have an Instagram story. But let's change it a bit. Phil's Fitness, never stop living. And let's put a cheesy picture of me up. What I'm trying to demonstrate by this one is it's actually very easy to use. It's pretty easy to set up. I want to change that picture. Photo uploads. I've already got one there. We'll use that. Sorry, peeps. Sorry. I can adjust the photo. I can tie it into my brand. Hang on. Remove the background if I want to. Oh, it's clever. Sorry, people. I can give it a background. Wait for it. I can change the colors to match my brand. See what I'm doing here? With the photo, what can I do? I'm sure you can do. Yes. So you can do it, even change the photo so it's branded in your colours. Never stop living. I was going to change the text there, but when I was playing with this earlier, it is very easy just to change the text, modify it, stretch it, make it bigger, move it about. Once you've created your post, you simply download it. Prepares it, and there it is. It's downloading. Open it. Where's that? Right, so you can see that that's actually downloaded to my computer, and that's ready for me to post up onto my social media. So it keeps your brand. Can you see down the left there? These are your brand elements. If you wanted to put stuff in this, this is while I'm still making it. Okay, I get you. So anything you want to use here, you can. I'm still on the design of that. I wanted to leave that there. Let's go back. And that image will be available soon. You can see I've already made these. But really then, what's to look at? So number one, is it easy to use? There you go, that's the one I've made. It keeps every design you make, it keeps them stored there so that you can always use them. It keeps all your brand details, and you've got your, let's just have to look through all of these templates again. It's fast as well, the site. I was reviewing another piece of software today. I'm not going to mention any names, but I won't be reviewing it because it just took ages for everything to do, even to send an email to them to tell them it took ages. I suppose I've got to give them the benefit of the doubt because it could have been their server was having problems. Right, so just quickly look through all of these templates. You can see they're very, very impressive, and obviously these are in the colours of my brand. If you have different colours, they will appear in the colours of your brand. So just about everything there. If you just want to find a Facebook post, you click on that and say get started. It will bring up all of the Facebook posts, and you can click one of them, modify it, change it, or of course start from scratch with all of your brand's details. And that is really good. I do like it. Yeah, of course there are other softwares that do similar stuff, but I think something that's specific for designing the brand, getting everything in the colours of your brand. If you just want to be able to do simple posts that are in the colours with your logo, with your design, it's a fantastic piece of software. And I'm going to jump out. I think I've showed you everything. I don't want to miss anything. Have I showed you everything? Shown or showed? Oh, that is the, I'm there. Yeah, I have showed you everything. There you go. We won't bother editing that. Right, let's jump out. So, baseline. I'm in a funny mood today. Would I use it? Yeah, I think I would actually. I like it. It's very easy to use, and that's what you need. It's got some good extra features, like it can automatically remove the background from pictures, which, I mean, years ago when you wanted to do that, you had to be really advanced on Adobe Photoshop, or you have to pay someone to do it. And now with technology, it does it automatically. Very clever. Is it versatile? When it comes to posting stuff onto all of the social media platforms, yes, it is versatile. Would I recommend it to your business? Yeah, if you need someone, or you need a tool that will do all of your designs and keep it simple, then Baseline is for you. And that is my review. Do subscribe to the channel. It helps me. Do tell a few friends as well. I know you're probably not going to do that now. Hey, there's this guy I know. He reviews software. Will you subscribe to him? But you know what I mean. If you know anybody who's into their software or they have a small business, if you could point them in the direction of me, I'll be forever grateful. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you for another one really soon.